हेलो हाय दोस्तों। आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अंकित मलिक आज फिर आपके साथ हूँ गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील में। जैसे कि आप सबको जानते हैं, गुड़गांव हैज बिकम द हॉटस्पॉट फॉर द रियलिटी मार्केट, and day by day all the builders in the Gurgaon reality market are launching their new products, and not only with the launching, they are revising the prices also of day by day. So if you have not invested till now in the Gurgaon reality market or the Delhi Gurgaon NCR reality market, which includes your Faridabad and the Noida area also, so the Gurgaon market is taking a new shape. So मैं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अंकित मलिक आपका फिर से स्वागत करता हूँ गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील में। वेलकम यूट्यूब फैमिली. Welcome to all the queries which I'm getting through across the globe after making these YouTube videos. It's a very pleasure to handle all your queries and taking all the things or all the queries on a next level. So it's been very important to taking this thing ahead. And along with this journey, I would like to take the things ahead that this Gurgaon reality market is taking a new shape day by day, minute by minute, and second by second. And as per the new economic report of the Gurgaon reality market, so 5% rates will again be revised at the beginning in the month of January 2022 as per the Economic Times report. And सबसे बड़ी बात advantage of our Gurgaon market is that we are expanding from all the four corners of this city. So we are expanding in South Gurgaon, we are expanding on the Dwarka Expressway, we are expanding in the New Gurgaon, we are expanding on the Golf Course Extension Road. So सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि we have a very proper land bank. So due to which the Gurgaon is one of the most and the primest area and the location for attracting the customers across the globe. So that is the additional advantage which by default our industry would have and will always remain in this scenario. So let me take you to the thing ahead. Today I'm going to describe the journey of the reality industry, which is evaluating it since there's a lot of demands in the floor in the Gurgaon reality market. So let me take you to the journey. What are the floors which have been launched till date? What are the upcoming products in this industry of the same? And what are the things which you should consider evaluation as an investment portfolio, because more than 500 products are being there in this industry and more than 500 brands are also being there. So to evaluate out of them that which one suits your requirement the most, it's a very difficult task. So I'm being always there to help you in your journey, to guide you throughout the journey, and then making the things easy for you. So let's just start. Basically, today I'm just making the video to give you the review of one more launch product in the new Gurgaon. But once I keep on studying the entire Gurgaon reality industry, so I thought before giving you my advice on that newly launched product, it's very important to take you ahead through the entire portfolio of the city, how the things are going on at the different segmentation of different brands. And I just got amazed that in our industry we have the very big portfolio. So very big portfolio which matches the requirement of each and every type of the customer who are looking to invest within the ticket size of 60 lakhs up to 6 CR in the Gurgaon reality market of the floor industry by different top-notch brands which are already being present there. So let me describe you one by way what are the launches, what has been there in this for you to invest, and then takes up in my next video I'll just brief you about the product which is just about recently launched before 15 days and getting a lot of buzz in the entire market regarding the same. So I'll update you about that also. So सबसे पहले I'll like to tell you to know a little about the briefing of my shop deal. So just would like to tell you that we are an open platform which used to take care of the entire products of this industry, including the residential, commercial, and the leasing portfolio. So you can log in our website myshopdeal.co.in. So you can get it with the live chat, whatever your requirement you have, what are the things you are looking. And we used to take care of all the good and the quality developers in the Gurgaon reality industry. You can look up the people who has bought a lot of things, and the amazing response from the YouTube family also. Plus, we filter out and figure it out the brands which matches the requirement. If the brand does not suits the requirement, then we don't bring the that brand on my board. So first of all, if I'm recommending you something, I did my research part thoroughly on that product so that your investment would remain safe, your investment would grow in a longer run, so that you can keep on investing regularly with the My Shop Deal family. So this is what they're all about. Along with that, you can do one more thing. You can keep on reading the blog sections of My Shop Deal, because our bloggers spend a very quality time in writing all these blogs by making the content very specific, that what are the products which are being launching day by day in this entire industry, and on the basis of a very strong content. So it's you can call it a mini library of the entire Delhi, Gurgaon NCR, where you can think that what is the thing which is about to launch, what the things which has been happening in this industry since 2.5 years approximately. So this is the thing which I recommend you to just go to our blog section and keep the feedback also on the online section of the Zoho chat. If you like to connect with me for any of the products in the Gurgaon Delhi NCR reality, so you can connect with me on the number given below in the description. Along with that, you can just put your requirement, your contact address, email and phone number, and whatever the query you have. So our team will get back to you shortly, assist you, and we can meet for a cup of coffee at My Shop Deal office at the Galaxy Hotel, Gurgaon, Sector 15, which is at the campus of 32 Milestone. So you are most welcome. We can discuss in detail your requirement. We can understand what the thing you are basically looking with the vast portfolio of My Shop Deal, and we can figure it out the best product as per your requirement. So सबसे पहले हम start करते हैं गुड़गांव reality की by taking at the four corners, which I already told you that Gurgaon reality is expanding from all the four corners, keeping National Highway at the center point, especially the Rajiv Chowk. The Gurgaon reality market I divided into four parts. So one is the South Gurgaon, which you have the lot of brands coming up, where from the Delhi Mumbai freight corridor also has started. The contract has been assigned to L&T. Another is the Golf Course Extension Road and the Southern Periphery Road, which basically major has the land bank of the other brands like M3M is there, and the other top-notch developers are also there. Then we have this area which you called it a New Gurgaon, from sector 81 to sector 95, and after that we have the Dwarka Expressway starting from the bottom point of 83 sector, and which lasts to sector 115 of Dwarka Expressway, which will meet the sector 21 Dwarka metro station in the coming time duration. So सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं from the Rajiv Chowk. So from the Rajiv Chowk, everyone knows the Sona Road very well. If you go straight on the Sona Road, so you will reach South Gurgaon, or the southern part of our Gurgaon. So this is what is called the South Gurgaon, where you have the J.D. Goenka University, K.R. Mangalam University. So how the things are coming up in South Gurgaon, especially in the floors. So let me tell you. So if you look up the brands or the builders which are present in South Gurgaon along with their floors option, so we have the three major developers which are present in South Gurgaon along with their floor option. So first brand which we have on the board is By Default. There's one more product which is upcoming in signature in the South Gurgaon area, which is a newly launched product in the South Gurgaon area, is the just will reveal shortly. So what are the things which you have there in the South Gurgaon in terms of the floor? So Signature Global has their products in the South Gurgaon by the name Signature Global Park, which is in sector 36 of South Gurgaon, which you also can call it the first address of South Gurgaon, which is one of the most neat and clean environment of South Gurgaon. So if I am zooming out this map, so it becomes clearly the connectivity. From Rajiv Chowk, you have to go straight. There's a 16-kilometer flyover which is being constructed by the Central Park Company, and it has in two patches. One patch is from Rajiv Chowk to Badshahpur, and somewhere it ends near your Escon Temple, and from there the another patch start of the flyover which ends till J.D. Goenka University. So it is totally a 16-kilometer flyover without any red light, and the Sona Road again has been declared as a national highway. उसके बाद आपका दिल्ली मुंबई फ्राइट कॉरिडोर का वर्क स्टार्ट हो चुका है. 225 meters का हाईवे है, which is wider than द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे। अभी तक सबको यही लगता था कि द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे इज इंडियाज वाइडेस्ट एक्सप्रेसवे, बट साउथ गुड़गांव कहते हैं ना कि द मोर यू गो डीप इनसाइड द वाटर, द more elements you find inside the water. So it is same that Dwarka Expressway से भी wider एक expressway है, which is 225 meter wide, which is a circular ring, which is creating a circular ring in the South Gurgaon area and connects the KMP with the Delhi Mumbai Freight Corridor and on the Sona Road also. It start near sector 36. तो अगर हम sector 36 की बात करें तो this is the first residential of South Gurgaon. यहाँ पे Signature Global has launched their floors option. सबसे पहले उन्होंने लॉन्च किया Signature Global Park 2 and 3. उसके बाद उन्होंने लॉन्च किया 4 and 5. जैसे मूवीज में होता है सीक्वल बाद में आते हैं. Then अगर आपने if you have then Dhoom 1, then Dhoom 2 and then Dhoom 3 used to come up. But हमारे रियलिटी इंडस्ट्री में पहली बार Signature Global has launched 2 and 3, then 4 and 5, and then very soon they will launch the Signature Global Park 1 after delivering 2 and 3 at a higher prices. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा different किया है Signature Global ने as per the normal market trend, but that's fine. It's a Gurgaon market reality style, which you can call it. So Signature Global has launched a beautiful concept in the lap of nature. This product has a great chances of capital appreciation. बिकॉज यहाँ पे दिल्ली मुंबई फ्राइट कॉरिडोर आ रहा है, बहुत सारी कंपनीज के वेयर हाउसेज यहाँ पे आ रहा है, अमेजॉन, फ्लिपकार्ट, प्लस IMT सोना इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट बिग इंडस्ट्रियल हब एज सिमिलर टू IMT मानेसर. सो बहुत सारी कंपनीज के वेयर हाउसेज विल प्लान टू शिफ्ट इन द सोना ऑल्सो. सो इट हैज अ वेरी स्ट्रीमलाइन कनेक्टिविटी from that area, from that part, and a lot of articles have also been coming up in that area. So agar if you want to live in a neat and clean and a fresh air environment, so this is the product where you don't need to go to the Mussoorie or Shimla. It's everything inside South Gurgaon. Beautiful Aravali, which is world's best second largest Aravali, which connects 3 cities together, along with the design of Hafiz architect, along with the Maivan shuttering construction, along with the beautiful landscaping and water bodies. This is a product which vouches the interest of every person going on that expressway. Because ये पूरी की पूरी एक लुटियंस दिल्ली कंसेप्ट पे डिजाइन हो रही है, पूरी टाउनशिप सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल पार्क की, एंड इट्स अ गुड लैंड बैंक ऑफ 25 एकर्स. सो 25 एकर्स के अंदर दे आर डेवलपिंग द एंटायर फेसेस, एंड सबसे बड़ी बात, इट्स बीइंग डिजाइंड बाय Hafiz architect, which is one of the most prominent architect of all the top-notch brands like Lodha, like DLF, like other ATS also. It's mostly been designed by Hafiz architect. So ये society इस तरह की luxury low-rise society develop होगी, so that the people moving on the Delhi Mumbai Freight Corridor can have the area, plus rental value इस area की काफी appreciate होगी, because वहाँ पे GD Goenka and KR Manglam University है. A lot of students are paying a very high rent in the hotels. They are paying a high rent in the in their hostels. So these great amenities, luxury floors of Signature Global can provide the accommodation for different students which are being there in KR Manglam University and GD Goenka University also. So definitely Signature Global अगर 2 and 3 की बात करें, so they will hand over position within the 6 month time duration, and अगर हम Signature Global 4 and 5 की बात करें तो लगभग 1.5 year के अंदर they will hand over the position. जब तक आपका सोना रोड का फ्लाईओवर रेडी होगा, उसके बाद पोजीशन देना बेसिकली स्टार्ट हो जाएगा इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर. They are beautifully designed floors, beautifully low rise with all the amenities. You have kids play area, you have beautiful green parks, you have lot of sitting area, gazebos, you have lot of amenities. So अगर कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए देख रहे हैं between 60 lakhs 55 lakhs से लेके लगभग 90 lakhs तक के ऑप्शंस सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल पार्क 2, 3, 4 and 5 के अंदर है, जिनको पोजीशन चाहिए 6 months से लेके within 1.5 year. तो it is a very low rise luteins type society which you can consider as an investment purpose. So पहला साउथ गुड़गांव का ये पार्ट है जो हम कंसिडर कर सकते हैं if you're looking up the floor options of the Signature Global. It's a very good product, highly recommended. Let's meet for a cup of coffee to discuss more about this product in detail. Second, अगर हम डेवलपर की बात करें in the heart of South Gurgaon, which is making a beautiful township. Agar aapko, you want to go to Kashmir, you want to go to the hill station, so there is no need to go anywhere. Please come and join Central Park Flower Valley. You just forget about the Kashmir, you just forget about the other hill stations. The design in such a way, I just called it a heaven of गुड़गांव. अगर आप गुड़गांव में आए और सेंट्रल पार्क फ्लावर वैली आपने विजिट नहीं किया तो you missed a great thing. A beautiful design township, a very high-end restaurants like Al Cappuccino, Nectar, a very neat and clean environment, lot of flowers, lot of flower area, flower. आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि that you are in Gurgaon. A very well designed and a very thoughtful township of Central Park Flower Valley. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप फ्लोर्स देख रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले जब ये टाउनशिप लॉन्च हुई थी तो दे लॉन्च द फ्लेमिंगो फ्लोर, जिसमें ग्राउंड फर्स्ट और सेकंड था. ग्राउंड के साथ दे हैड गिवन द बेसमेंट एंड सेकंड के साथ दे हैड गिवन द टेरेस राइट. एंड फर्स्ट फ्लोर के साथ ना टेरेस था ना बेसमेंट था, तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर की जो कॉस्ट थी वो सबसे ज्यादा लेस थी. उसके बाद सेकंड फ्लोर में टेरेस की कॉस्ट थी और उसके बाद ग्राउंड विद बेसमेंट की कॉस्ट थी. तो लगभग 72 लाख से लेके लगभग 1 करोड़ तक ये सेल हुए थे. आज की डेट में काफी अच्छा कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन इन लोगों को मिल चुका है एंड द पीपल एंड फैमिली ऑलरेडी बीन शिफ्टेड देयर. उसके बाद क्लोवर फ्लोर्स लॉन्च किए थे विच आर अ बिगर साइज फ्लोर्स, totally of the size of 4 bedroom. They are also completely sold out. Tentative इनका ticket size था 2 CR के आसपास with all the major amenities placed inside the campus and City Suites, one of my favorite products. Why it's called the favorite? Because the terrace is beautifully designed and it is the back side of the 2 rows. It's a landscape green. So first time this concept has been introduced in such a luxury township, so that all the flower designs which are seeing in the balcony, these are basically the luxury suites of 2 bedroom and 2 plus study, which are being about to hand over within the very short time duration. It's also a wonderful product. So these are the 3 type of products in the low-rise development by Central Park in South Gurgaon in Flower Valley: Clover floors, City Suites, and Flamingo floors. If we look up, these are the one of the most successful product from the portfolio of Central Park. Highly recommended, a 5-star and a 7-star luxury rated township, but at a very nominal prices. They are not charging a very high prices for this, but a very neat, clean, sophisticated, simple and uncluttered township is Flower Valley. Now, after that, the brand which has owns a lot of hospitals, Paras Hospitals, Paras Dairy, everyone knows. So at under Deen Dayal Awas Yojana, they launched the floors and the plots by the name of ICAM. So ICAM पहले इन्होंने plots launch करे और second phase में उसके बाद they just come out with the floors, which is again the concept of still plus 4. You can have the option of buying any one floor within the ticket size of 55 lakhs approximately and having handed over position in the coming 2 years time duration. तो अगर आप 55 lakhs के आसपास कुछ ऐसा ऑप्शन देख रहे हो दिल्ली मुंबई फ्राइट कॉरिडोर के पास इन्वेस्ट करने का, तो ICAM also has the low rise floors which is still plus 4 where you can invest the money and get a good capital appreciation and a rental once this Delhi Mumbai freight corridor would be ready. उसके अलावा अभी ROF Group is also coming up with one of their upcoming floors area in near to the Central Park, near to the Signature Global Park. So they are coming up in sector 36 in the same area where you have the Signature Global Park. So RF will open the sale of their upcoming floors very soon. Right now, a tentative details is that they will come with still plus 4. The terrace they will divide it into 4 equal parts, and the basement they will divide it again into 4 equal parts. Yet the layout and the details have not yet opened, but it's declared that they are launching it very soon. So this is the another product which you can look to invest in South Gurgaon if you want the capital appreciation. Once again this Delhi Mumbai freight corridor will be ready. अब चलते हैं गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड, विच इज अगेन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्राइमेस्ट एरिया इन द गुड़गांव. सो अगर हम बात करें गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड की, बेसिकली गोल्फ कोर्स रोड एक्सटेंशन बोलते हैं, सो दैट समटाइम्स द पीपल्स आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड द गोल्फ कोर्स रोड एंड गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड. It is much more planned, It is a national highway, India's shortest national highway. It starts from the junction where the last rapid metro in sector 56 is there. This is sector 59 जहाँ से गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड स्टार्ट हो जाती है गोल पहाड़ी फरीदाबाद से होती हुई, एंड ये मिलती है सोना रोड को बाइसेक्ट करती हुई सेक्टर 74A 75A, जहाँ पे आप ब्लू कलर का एरिया देख रहे हैं. दिस इज DLF साइबर सिटी 2. This is bigger than the upcoming than the present cyber city, and ये 74 से लेके जो सेक्टर 59 तक का एरिया है ये पूरा का पूरा कहलाता है गोल्फ कोर्स रोड एक्सटेंशन. तो अगर इस एरिया में बात करें कि what are the builder who has taken the flagship project high or on the first level on bringing the luxury floor concept in that area, so वही ब्रांड है जो आज की डेट में इंडिया के टॉप नॉच ब्रांड है. वही ब्रांड है जो आज की डेट में रिलायंस को बीट करके दे रीच द नंबर 1 इन इंडिया. सो इट्स नन अदर देन द ब्रांड व्हिच वी कैन लुक अप इज Adani. So Adani are the developers which have launched the luxury floors in the golf course extension road, and they just make a remark because they not only launched but they have handed over the possession also on time. So which is their product of Adani Samsara, and they have just opened Adani Vilasa also, which they are going to hand over the possession very soon in the coming time duration. So Adani Samsara is a delivered product of Adani. You can call it a first low-rise development of Adani on the golf course extension road. It's already ready, functioning, occupied, and the families are living in Adani Samsara floors currently. This is the actual pics of the project, which you can have a look upon. And the families have already been shifted, beautifully made, beautiful artificial lake at the center, and fully operational, this society. And 100% sold out. Not even a single floor is available currently. So this is the beauty of Adani Samsara. And after the great demand, they launched the another phase of the product of the low rise, making a sequel by making it Adani Samsara Vilasa. So Samsara और Samsara Vilasa में क्या डिफरेंस था? बेसिकली Samsara में जो बेसमेंट था वो पूरा का पूरा फर्स्ट फ्लोर के पास थे, उसके पूरे एक्सक्लूसिव राइट. Sorry, it has been divided into 4 parts, and the terrace is again divided into 4 parts. Vilasa के अंदर Adani has given the full basement right to first floor and full terrace right to 4th floor. And second और third floor के पास ना बेसमेंट है ना टेरेस है. तो अगर किसी को सिर्फ फ्लोर यूज करना है तो वो सेकंड और थर्ड फ्लोर ले सकते हैं. अगर किसी को पर्सनल स्पेस डिजाइन करना है, like some doctors, like some interior designer, like some CA, so they can take first floor with basement. और अगर किसी को गार्डनिंग का या पेट्स का शौक है तो वो 4th floor with terrace ले सकते हैं. So this is all about Samsara and Adani Vilasa. After that, this is the another brand value which is in the top-notch brand in India. So Birla has again launched the beautiful project by the name of Birla Navya in different pockets of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 3+ servant, and a 4-bedroom. So that is they again launched on the extension road. They used a total concept of green building, green certified building, and Griha rating product. They just launched it on the extension road. 2-bedroom completely sold out. 3-bedroom completely sold out. Limited inventories are there in 3+ study and 4 bedrooms in Birla Navya. They put a very new design at the front. They put a total marble cladding so that the front facade of the building won't be destroyed in the coming time duration. And it's a new concept which they have launched in this area. So it's a beautiful concept, a beautiful design which they have launched. Again, they have made the beautiful basement. Still you have the parking with the reception area, sitting area, and you have the beautiful 4 floors and along with the terrace. So again, it's a beautiful product from the portfolio of Birla Realty, Birla Navya. उसके बाद अगर हम बात करें एक्सटेंशन रोड पे another developer which has the floor, so it's none other than DLF. DLF has launched a beautiful product by the name of DLF Almeda. So they are again opened the sales of DLF Almeda, which is again one of the most beautiful products of sector 73 by DLF Almeda. and the sale is open. The ticket size of DLF Almeda is from 3 CR and it ranges to approximately 5.5 to 6 CR. So the people who look the connectivity from the national highway, DLF Almeda, it's one of the most prominent floor which you can look up as an self-use or you can look up as an investment purpose, and it's value for money. In the coming time duration, MX campus is coming there in the same sector, sector 71, the 74 MX campus is coming there. TCS is already there in sector 74. So it's a beautifully designed product from the portfolio of DLF. You can see the video, you can see the finished product which I am showing you currently of DLF Almeda floors. You have the option to check it out as the layouts, how the way you can design the DLF Almeda luxury floors in sector 73. And along with 73, we have the Aradhya Homes, sector 67. This is the product which has been acquired from being Ansal for the forest developer, which was earlier by the name of Ansal Essentia. And they have taken it and relaunched it by the modification by the name of Forest Aradhya Home. The layout is very beautiful. They are very spacious, 4-bedroom and 3+ store type of product on the sector 67 in the township of Ansal Essentia, Ansal Varsalia, and they are some of the products that already been handed over. These are the live images of the product. So they have the very good layout. A new builder, not a very new builder, but they had delivered a lot of products. They made the floors in chunks and then they sold it out. But in this township of Forest Aradhya Homes, they had made a very good and spacious layout. आज की डेट में families भी shift हो चुकी है. The people are residing in this project of Aradhya Homes. A lot of greenery, a lot of lush greenery, parks, and since it's a part of Ansal Essentia Township, these are the actual images of the project which they already been handed over. So you are getting the Italian marble, you are getting the modular kitchen, you will getting the AC in all the bedrooms in this Forest Aradhya Homes. So this is again a wonderful product which value for money, perfect location, prime location. Then we have the another product of BPTP. So अगर हम बात करें सेक्टर 70A के अंदर, so BPTP Astaire Garden floors are already the delivered products which is in the Astaire Garden. और उसके साथ BPTP ने launch किए pedestal floors. Pedestal floors is again a new concept which is being modernized in the current scenario. So pedestal floors are the floors which have still first, second and third. So this is the product which again they have delivered of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom sizes, and they are also being ready for possession. Mostly have been sold it out. So still you can have the parking, then you have the first floor, second floor and third floor, and then you have the terrace. So this is also the beautiful product in sector 70A on the Southern Periphery Road. अगर आपका ऑफिस सोना रोड पे है या गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड पे है और आप एक लो राइज सोसाइटी में रहना चाहते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली BPTP pedestal floor can be your choice. The ticket size starts from 1 CR onwards for the 2-bedroom and it reaches to approximately 1.6 CR for the 4-bedroom currently. So this is the actual images of the actual project which you are seeing up here. It's ready for possession, it's ready for fit out. You just pack your luggage and just shift in such a beautiful township of BPTP Astaire Garden. Along with this, they also have one more type of product of floors, which is Astaire Garden. So very few and very limited inventory of some floors are being available currently in that BPTP Astaire Garden, which is in sector 70A. So you can look up that product. Since it's completely sold out, so very few inventories are being there in Astaire Garden. It's a 100% gated township. The families are already being residing here, already being shifted here. These are the live pictures which you are seeing up of BPTP Astaire Garden floors of 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom type of luxury floor. So every line is a gated with total security, CCTV cameras, access card. These are ground, first and second floors which they already been made earlier. And beautiful concept. So you can consider this product if you are looking 2 bedroom within the ticket size of 1 CR on the southern periphery road, and it goes till 1.6, 1.65 CR of the 4 bedroom bigger size floor in this area. So these are some of the options. Plus, if you want to invest in the newly launched products, so Smart World Orchid, which is in sector 61, is again the newly launched product, which starts from 1.25 CR and ranges to 1.85 CR for 2+ study, and a 3 bedroom having a position in 2-year time duration in sector 61, which is bang on the Golf Course Extension Road. So अगर आप चाहते हैं तो you can invest in that product also, which is again on sector 61, which is on the Golf Course Extension Road. If you can wait for the time horizon of 2 years and you have an office on the Golf Course Road, again on the Extension Road, so Smart World Orchid can be the perfect choice for you. They have the interconnected terraces, beautiful clubhouse, they have beautiful landscape greens in that area. And सबसे बड़ी बात, it is 1 minute with everything. 1 minute with metro station, 1 minute with rapid metro, 1 minute with nearby hospitals, malls, everything. It is just a walk away. 1 minute does not mean that it's actual 1 minute. 1 minute means it's very nearby, that within very short span of time you can reach. Otherwise you can put it the claim कि अंकित तुमने तो 1 minute बोला था, metro में तो 5 minute लगता है. So it's not like that. But my meaning of saying is that yeah, everything is very close proximity. Maybe schools, hotel, hospitals, everything is in close proximity of the Smart World Orchid sector 61. So yes, you can consider that option also. अभी चलते हैं, we have look up the options which are present in South Gurgaon, the Golf Course Extension Road. Now let me take you ahead on the map first, and then in sector 81. So आपका Signature Global has bring up their Signature Global City in sector 81, which is near Microtech Greenberg, which is near DLF Ultima, which is near Bestech Grand Spa, and which is near Vipul Lavanya. And another product which they have launched in sector 92 in New Gurgaon, which you also have the DLF luxury floor, Garden City floors, and which already made a video on that. Totally, you can see the link in the description or contact me for further details. यहीं पे सेक्टर 92 में लेके आए. सबसे बड़ी बात जो मुझे खास लगती है इस एरिया की, न्यू गुड़गांव की, कि यहाँ पे जो ये वाली आप ग्रीन बेल्ट देख रहे हैं, which intersects the city of the Gurgaon with the industrial belt of the Manesar. It's a very big green belt between these two cities. So the air quality which you have in these sector 92, 81, it's totally unhindered. One of the question has also been taken कि when they will about to hand over position, so अगर if you are living in these sectors ना, so in the lifetime this green belt will remain as it is, which you are seeing it currently, because it's a governmental norm that between two cities you have to leave the green belt as it is. So this is the advantage if you are buying a Signature Global City 81 floors or Signature Global City 92 floors. These are one of the more primest location with near to that green belt, which segregate the Gurgaon with the Manesar area. Plus you have the option of DLF Garden City floors also in sector 92. One of my client lives in Bestech Sanskriti in sector 92, and he says that he need not require to open the AC in the night if he opens the balconies at the front and back, so continuously air circulation is there. So ये Bestech के product की खास बात है, they always made the running balcony at the front and back, so आपको कभी भी ventilation का problem नहीं आता है Bestech के projects के अंदर. So उसके अलावा 93 के अंदर ROF is launching the floors. 89 के अंदर you have the Smart World Gems, M3M Solitude, and 93 ROF Insignia Park. It's directly bang on the same road जो आप नेशनल हाईवे से आते हैं, DLF Ultima, Bestech Grand Spa को क्रॉस करते जाते हैं, सती चौक को क्रॉस करते हुए जाते हैं, एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ही आरवी हॉस्पिटल को क्रॉस करने के बाद आपका ये प्रोजेक्ट है ROF Insignia. उसके अलावा 89 सेक्टर के अंदर अगेन आई टोल्ड यू M3M Solitude में आप देख सकते हैं, स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड जेम्स में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, देन सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल 92 सिटी 92 में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, 81 में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड DLF गार्डन सिटी इंडिपेंडेंट फ्लोर्स के अंदर आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द ऑप्शंस व्हिच आर बीइंग देयर इन द न्यू गुड़गांव एरिया वेयर यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन द फ्लोर्स. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा एक टिकट साइज की बात करूं, for these of the options which are being there. So tentatively 70 lakh se leke 60-65 lakh se leke you have the option till 1.7 CR of DLF Garden City floors in that area. अगर हम स्मार्ट वर्ड की बात करें तो लगभग 70-75 लाख से लेके 1 CR तक के ऑप्शंस हैं. You have the option of 2 bedroom, 2 plus study, 3 bedroom and 3 plus study in the options of M3M Solitude. So these are the options which you can consider. अगर हम बात करें Signature Global City की, Signature Global City which is in, again Sector 81. So it is again a very beautiful, clean land parcel which they had made. Again, it is designed by Hafiz, so does not need any introduction. And ये आपको दिखाना it's important. So you have all the amenities inside the township. Beautiful landscape, water, swimming pool. You have a lot of other sports amenities. You have a fully loaded washrooms. You have a modular kitchen with chimney and hob. You have everything what you think of in this beautiful township of Signature Global City 81. तो यहाँ पे भी आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. प्लस ये देखिए, ये वो ग्रीन बेल्ट है जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा था बार बार. इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूनिक पॉइंट which you definitely you should consider before investing. And ये जब आप रहने आते हैं ना, once you shift in that, then you understand all these benefits, because this is a personal feedback of my clients in that area. DLF Ultima mein my clients live, so this is the green belt which I am speaking of. Hope this is clear to you. So this is the green belt which you have always the upper advantage in that area. So Signature Global City 81 में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. Signature Global City 92 में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. DLF Garden City फ्लोर्स में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. सेक्टर 92 के अंदर ROF Insignia Park में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. सेक्टर 93 के अंदर M3M Solitude सेक्टर 89 में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड स्मार्ट वर्ड जेम्स में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो न्यू गुड़गांव में these are the options which you can look up for investment on the floors option. अब चलते हैं द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे पे. So what are the options are being there on the द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे पे? तो द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे की अगर हम बात करें तो द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे पे जो ऑप्शन है that is again of the Signature Global City ही है वहाँ पे, जो again रामप्रस्था की जो टाउनशिप है उसके बहुत ही नियर बाई है. So अगर आप द्वारका में है, if you are coming from the द्वारका दिल्ली वाली साइड, तो यहाँ पे आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. It is Signature Global City. That is at the center of your Pataudi Road and Dwarka Expressway, connecting these two dots together. यहाँ से आप हीरो होंडा भी आ सकते हैं. आप अगेन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे के थ्रू क्लोज ओवरलीफ लेके आप नेशनल हाईवे पे हिट हो सकते हैं. आप KMP पे कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. कुंडली मानेसर पलवल एक्सप्रेसवे पे कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. एंड अगेन आप नेशनल हाईवे पे भी कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. तो अगर आप यहाँ से हीरो होंडा चौक से कनेक्टिविटी देखना चाहते हैं तो सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल सिटी 37D is hardly a distance of 10 to 15 minutes from Hero Honda Chowk. अगर हम द्वारका सेक्टर 21 की बात करें तो 20-25 मिनट्स डिस्टेंस इसका एयरपोर्ट से द्वारका सेक्टर 21 मेट्रो स्टेशन से है. और अगर आप नेशनल हाईवे से कनेक्टिविटी देख रहे हैं तो इट्स हार्डली a 10 minutes from the national highway. So these are the connectivity of Signature Global City 37D which I am showing you here. Again luxury floors हैं. They have their own clubhouse of 25,000 square feet. Again designed by Hafiz Architect. 3 bedroom plus study पूरा sold out हो चुका है. एक भी inventory available नहीं है. Some smaller sizes are available of 2 bedroom and but 3 plus Pooja it's completely sold out. Not even a single inventory is left currently. So hurry up before the prices rise and hurry up before the inventory would go out. So again यहाँ पे आपको सारी amenities मिलती है. Like modular kitchen is there. You have got the a good office with full setup. You are getting the AC in all the bedrooms. You are getting a designed landscape terraces in this product, plus all the amenities inside this product. So you have jogging track, you have kids play area, you have swimming pool, you have all the things, whatever you can think of. The founder of Signature Global, Mr. Pradeep Agarwal ji, leave no stone unturned in making the company a brand. So उनका फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस यही है कि what my customer want would definitely get all the amenities more than what we have committed to that. So this is what the Signature Global is. Again the fastest growing brand in Gurgaon reality market. अगर मैं टॉप 3 ब्रांड्स की बात करूँ आज की डेट में गुड़गांव रियलिटी मार्केट की, तो सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल, M3M and Godrej Properties are the top 3 brands of Gurgaon reality market by back-to-back launches in the city by making the heat and the sensation and the hotspot of Gurgaon market to the next level. So these are the options which you have on the Dwarka Expressway, which we can consider. Again, we have Vatika Expressions on the Dwarka Expressway, which is about to hand over. They are about to receive the OC. So these are still +3. Again, still you have the parking, first, second and third floor. The terrace ride is common to all. So यहाँ पे भी 80 लाख से लेके लगभग 1.5 CR तक के options हैं, starting your 2 bedroom plus a study, then 3 bedroom, and then 3 plus utility you have in this project in sector 88B. So it's some inventories are being available if you want to look up in this. Along with this, you have the options on Dwarka Expressway, BBDP Estar Garden. If you are in love of the floors, then BBDP Estar Garden is one of the most beautiful township, connecting you with the nature, connecting you with the things which you love, which you like. Plus, lot of movies are also being shooted in this. आज की date में lot of actor and actresses from Bollywood coming in Gurgaon market to shoot for their movies. So it's a privilege that yes, you can consider our Millennium City. It's a beautiful city, and you are coming to our city. So you are most welcome to shoot for your movies because we have made such wonderful products here. So BBDP Estar Garden, BBDP Amstoria, it's ready for moving township, starting from 3 bedroom, 4 bedrooms sizes in this beautiful township, and very low density. 150 acre की township है, सिर्फ low rise है, plots हैं और villas हैं, कोई भी high rise नहीं है. जो high rise का land parcel था, they already sold out to Shapoorji, which they have bought it, and Central Park has also bought land back from BBDP, and they are launching new luxury product there soon. So you have the beautiful floors of BBDP Amstoria. A lot of movies you also found this location. So it's a part of our Millennium City, Gurgaon. So it's very good township which you have here, and you can invest in this product. It's starting from 1.5 CR onwards and ranges to 2.4, 2.5 CR. The villa sale has not yet opened, and the Eden Estate plots 1 is already sold out, launching the phase 2 of Eden Estate plots very soon. So if you're looking up something low rise, then yes, it is one of the most valuable product where you can invest up, and they have the bigger size 4 bedroom apartments floors also, so you can invest in this product also. So this is the another product which I've already told you on the Dwarka Expressway area, which we already covered. Vatika Expression, Signature Global City, 37D, then we covered your BPTP. Experion has also launched their floors by the name of Zephyr floors, which are 100% sold out. So Experion के Zephyr floors भी पूरे sold out हैं, इसमें कुछ भी available नहीं है अभी. They are also beautiful design floors which still they have made the parking first, second, third and fourth floor, and it's also completely sold out. Nothing is available currently in this. So this is the little brief view about the floor market of the Gurgaon reality, which they already been launched, which are being currently undergoing, what the things they are already handed over position. DLF is again they are super luxury in the term of the floors and floor city phase 1, 2, 3, 4. So DLF phase 2 they have already launched 2 times, phase 1 and phase 2. Then they have launched signature residencies, which are again the luxury floors in phase 4, and they also launched some floors option in DLF phase 3. So if you're looking from the ticket size of 3.5 CR to 6 CR luxury floors option, so DLF is again one of the prominent choice, which have again their luxury floors in DLF phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in DLF Almeida, which you can look up to invest in the DLF, which is India's second biggest brand after Lodha Properties. So you can invest in the DLF products also. Beautiful design floors, beautiful design area, beautiful design terraces. और उसके अलावा अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी है regarding the Gurgaon Delhi NCR reality, lot of new launches are coming up back to back. So this is the valuation, and this product की मैं review देने वाला हूँ आपको बहुत जल्दी. So that is the another floors which are the newly launched floors in the heart of New Gurgaon. So SS Linden के बारे में हम बात करेंगे अपनी next video के अंदर. So stay safe, stay healthy, and Let's connect over the coffee at my Shop Deal office very shortly whenever you want to invest in any of the luxury floors or any of the options in the Gurgaon. I hope this video would become meaningful for you. Kindly meet us. Kindly call me on the given below described number to discuss more your requirement. And आपका host और दोस्त Ankit Malik will be there with you entire thoroughly in every of your journey of your buying home or shop or any of the residential or commercial query. I will be there. The office is in sector 15, 32 Milestone Galaxy Hotel, so you can come anytime after calling me, of course. So we can meet for the cup of coffee and we can discuss your requirement in detail. So again, this side, आपका host और दोस्त Ankit Malik signing off. Stay safe, stay healthy, and definitely come to meet. Definitely come to meet to discuss your requirements. And thank you so much, everyone. Stay safe. Take care. We'll meet you soon in my another video. Thanks a lot.